Researchers, are you drowning in papers, struggling to map your search strategy or justify exclusion criteria? The Literature Review Pack delivers Boolean logic optimization templates for PubMed/Medline queries, Prisma compliant screening workflows with Rayon integration, in vivo aligned thematic synthesis frameworks, and a gap analysis matrix powered by citation burst detection. This isn't just for academic researchers. R&D teams, systematic reviewers, and PhD candidates battling scoping review deadlines will find their new superpower. Spoiler, it doesn't involve 3 a.m. Excel marathons. Here's what's inside the Literature Review Pack. Search strategy optimization with discipline-specific mesh term mapping. Automated screening pipelines using inclusion-exclusion rule engines. Synthesis frameworks aligned with Cochrane collaboration standards. Gap analysis matrices visualizing conceptual voids through citation network analysis. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your literature review just became a precision instrument, not a guessing game. Installing the Literature Review Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add literature review pack. That's it. You'll get the complete workflow: search strategy builders, Rayon-compatible screening modules, synthesis frameworks with auto-coding dictionaries, and gap analysis visualization tools. Your next Claude Code session automatically recognizes the pack, while your AI assistant gains expertise in Boolean logic validation and meta-analysis preparation. Warning: may cause sudden urges to reanalyze old datasets. Your research deserves better than chaos. Welcome to systematic clarity.